second owner of it. I bought it in 1987. First one I had to get a loan out when I was 15 to purchase it, and kind of glad I did. Survived my teenage years, luckily, and first date and prom, and then our wedding, unfortunately, then kept it all going all the way through. And to 2020, I decided to finally tear it down and rebuild it all. That's a 1970 GMC K1500, half-ton, four-wheel drive, factory step side, dark gold, GM dark gold. Everybody questions me about the color, but it's a factory original color. Don't see a whole lot of them around. It's one of them colors, you either like it or you don't. Dead set on getting the factory color back, and I'd say probably the toughest part was getting that color matched and getting it painted. Other than that, most of the metal was pretty good. My friend Eric Helton at Biggie's Restoration, he was really good at saving the original body panels. I still got the factory battery cage in there. Battery tray's original in it, so it's pretty much all stock. Been around a long time. It's been through everything from high school on to now. Fun time down here. Love going to shows. We love running around, seeing all the different trucks. It's all a good time.